Overactive bladder, bowel incontinence, and urinary retention can be physically and emotionally debilitating. Are you tired of trying different treatments that don't provide enough symptom relief? You are not alone. Millions of people worldwide suffer from these life-altering symptoms. This is not a normal part of aging, but there's still hope. Your condition doesn't have to control your life anymore. Axonics therapy can help you live with confidence and get back in control. Axonics therapy is a long-lasting solution for treating the symptoms of OAB, bowel incontinence, and urinary retention, so you can get back to enjoying life to its fullest. Symptoms like yours can be caused by abnormal communication between the brain and the bladder or bowel, which disrupts your daily life. Axonics therapy provides gentle stimulation of the nerves that control the bladder and bowel, restoring normal communication to the brain and resulting in an improvement of your symptoms. The therapy lasts up to 15 years and allows you to regain control of your life. Not only is Axonics therapy long-lasting, it has been clinically proven to deliver symptom relief. In a recent study, 93% of patients experienced significant symptom improvements. What's better is that there is an easy way to try out Axonics therapy to see if it's right for you. To try the therapy, you will wear a small and disposable device that fits discreetly under your clothing. At the end of the trial period, you and your doctor will discuss the next steps in your treatment. If you choose to move forward, an implant is placed in a minimally invasive procedure. It's small, just about the size of a quarter, and is placed just beneath the skin in the upper part of your buttock. The therapy comes with a discreet remote control and a simple charger that makes it easy to manage your therapy. People like you are already benefiting from this therapy today. In fact, in a clinical study, 94% of patients were satisfied with their therapy. These patients experienced meaningful improvements in their quality of life. So if you are looking for life-changing results and long-lasting relief, take the first step. Talk with your doctor to see if Axonics therapy is right for you. Get back in control of your life. Axonics therapy, delivering the symptom relief you deserve.